Hey there, kids. Welcome to Happy Kiddo. Let's begin today's video.
Grab your tie, don't be shy. Wide and low and narrow high. Cross it over, wrap around. You're a tie-tying champ, that sound.
Hey kids! Mary the Cat here, and today, we're learning how to tie a tie. Don't worry, it's easy. If a cat can do it, anyone can. Alright, pause ready? Let's tie it right. Step 1. Drape your tie around your neck. The wide end hangs low, kinda like my tail when I'm tired, and the narrow end goes high on the other side. Now cross the wide end over the narrow end. Boom! Just like that. You're already looking like a fancy feline. Wrap that wide end around behind the narrow one and bring it back to the front. Nice and smooth, no cat tangles allowed. Next, take the wide end and pull it up through the neck loop, right from underneath. Hey, careful now, don't choke yourself. We're going for classy, not clumsy. Alright, now slide that wide end down through the loop in front. Yeah, that one. You got it. You're tying that thing like a pro. Hold the narrow end and give it a gentle pull to tighten. Then slide the knot right up to your collar. Perfect. You look sharper than a cat in a tuxedo. See? Told ya it was easy. Practice 3 times and you'll tie it perfectly. Now go show off that tie, and tell him Mary the Cat taught ya. Hi paw, friends, and remember, stay pawsome.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Do not forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel, so you will be notified when new videos are published. And be sure to check out our other videos.